Welcome, MA final year students. We definitely will have another webinar because I'm sure that you guys have decided not to come for some time more, which is okay because I'm sure the colleges will this time the exams will be somewhere in. I mean, I'm only guessing. Please don't quote me that the exams might be somewhere in May, June. So yeah, there is time that you could come to the college also if you decide to come next month or in March. But yeah, we will continue our studies. We did a beautiful one of my favorites when lilacs and the dooryard bloomed, by Whitman. And today I wanted to start. He writes long poems, which is okay. I like them. Are we doing crossing Brooklyn Ferry? The ferry is like a boat, if you've been to Calcutta, you must be seeing people coming back from work in ferries. Okay, so those boats. Flood tide below me, I see you face to face. Clouds of the west, sun there half an hour high. I see you also face to face. So he says, you know what happens बेटा जब आप कम्यूट करते हैं जब आपने देखा होगा जब आप जैसे आप तो अभी छोटे हैं लेकिन जैसे अभी आपकी नौकरियां लगेंगी ना एंड व्हेन यू गो जैसे फॉर इंस्टेंस यू हैव टू गो टू बारा एवरी डे टू वर्क फ्रॉम कोटा and if you take a bus, gradually you will find that every day you start getting acquainted with those people because they are also traveling every day as the way you are traveling. Okay, so basically you become friends over a point of time, and it's like if you've been to Mumbai, if you've been to London, if you're going 7 days together, you start recognizing the face. I saw her yesterday, I saw him yesterday, he's the same one, she's the same one. So basically this happens. She's a flood time below me, and it's like flood time below me means the tide is getting it's the flood time is the rise and fall of the tides. So when the tides ebb and flow, I see you face to face. He's talking about the people. Okay, clouds of the west, sun there half an hour high, and then in the cloud there are clouds in the western sky. Sun there half an hour high means it's the sun is half an hour high means it's almost like going to be it's the time to go to the office. The sun is rising. I also I see you also face to face, and I now there is one thing which if we were having a webinar, my instant question would be, what are you noticing in these two lines? And I think your answer would be repetition. I see you face to face has been repeated twice in two lines, right? So what is that repetition all about? Is that the mood to tell you that you and me are the same, your and my plight are the same, your and my miseries and happiness, everything actually in the world is same. There is an underlying unity which unites you and me. Okay, so face to face. अगर आप दुखी हैं तो मेरा भी ऐसा कुछ दुख है. We are face to face in that sorrow. If you are happy and I am also happy, we are face to face in that. Okay, so we face to face as it's that building of the acquaintance of the commonality of humanity. Okay, yeah. Crowds of men, women attired in the usual costumes. Usual costumes, why? Because everybody's wearing their office dress, because office mein you can't wear, something very casual. So everybody is in their uniforms. Okay, how curious you are to me. And then he says, we are the same. See, this is the beauty of the poem. Face to face is the commonality, is the universality, is the common ground on which you and me stand. And how curious, but still, how different, how unique, how strange are you to me? आप जिंदगी भर किसी के साथ रह सकते हैं. And I think, most of the married people would say this. We spend ages together, and then once, there can be a time when one morning you wake up and say, my God, whom am I living with? I've never been able to understand this person. So it's like knowing and not knowing, being together and not being together. You understand? It's like this amazing that subtle nuance that you have to catch in this poem. Okay, on the ferry boats, the hundreds and hundreds that cross. Okay, on the ferrying boats, which take you from one Manhattan Island to the other, and one office to the other, is like, on the ferry boats, the hundreds and hundreds of people. Like, when you are a mob, when you are a crowd, then you're a faceless crowd. Then you don't have an identity. Then your identity is just a mob. Okay, so hundreds and hundreds of people rushing to work up. This is a Bombay scene, if Mumbai scene. If you've been to Mumbai and if you see those people get onto the locals, आपने ज़रूर टीवी पे बहुत बार, अगर आपने वहाँ पर जाके नहीं देखा होगा तो लोक आपने टीवी पे ज़रूर देखा होगा, how people herd in those locals, and everybody is a crowd. वहाँ पर सच कह रही हूँ कि अगर टाटा बिरलास और अंबानीज भी चढ़ जाए ना उसमें, तो भी इतनी भीड़ होती है कि नोबडी विल बी एबल, थोड़ी देर तो किसी को ये भी नहीं समझ में आएगा कि कौन अभी हमारे साथ ट्रैवल कर रहा है. So what happens is that humanity loses its face and identity when there is a crowd. Okay. Yes, returning home are more curious to me than you suppose. And when they finished the work morning, the sun was an hour high, and returning from the work are more curious to me than you suppose means they become more sort of curious in the sense of what should have been their day like. बॉस ने डांटा होगा क्या, अच्छा काम किया होगा क्या, are they happy returning home, are they unhappy returning home? So that curiosity. And you that shall cross from shore to shore years hence are more to me and more in my meditations that you might suppose. How beautiful is that? Look at that. He says, you people who have been going from one station to the other for work all your life, endlessly traveling, 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 are more to me. I will think of you more than you suppose that I would. As a poet, as a creative genius, as a